it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today, as you can see on my, what do you call it, thumbnail, I'm in another collab with Poetspice. She invited a bunch of us to join in on her hashtag paper dolls for Poet 2026. And I thought, why not? Because I have some dies that I have not used. I haven't even put one together. I bought them all. As you can see, I have quite a bit of these Gorjuss Girl knockoffs. That's what I believe they are. This one's big. um, from, I think from AliExpress. So these are just paper dolls that I've had in my stash that I want to play with. I love paper piecing, and I love paper dolls. I love Julie Nutting dolls. I love them. I don't have the Tim Holtz dolls or the colorize. I was kind of intimidated by those dies. I think we have a Santa one. So I have to go and look for that one and see if I still have it. I may not. I don't know. But nonetheless, I'm here to share what I created with these, and I just want to show you all the dies. So this is one that I used. Here's another one. I can't wait to put these together in this collaboration. I think it will be fun. I'll do several at a time, and use different pattern papers. I think it will be a lot of fun to do. So I picked this one for this week. There were some dies that I didn't know what to do with, like this little die right here. This one here, I didn't know what that went to. This one was a little interesting. I figured it out, though. I mean, when you try to glue them all together, you kind of figure, oh, I see where this went under here. Obviously, this went here, and these are her arms. This is her legs. This is her top, and then here's her bottom. Oh, I'm sorry, not her bottom. Her bow or scarf or something. I don't know what that really, what it was. But it was pretty easy to figure out and to play with. So here are, I made 2 of them, and I kind of went with the red, white, and blue theme for the 4th of July. Since I had some papers here already. Where are they? I don't know where that could be. But isn't she adorable? I even used a Posca white pen, and kind of gave her some highlights in her eyes and some dots in her cheeks. I even used my Copics to to give her some rosy cheeks. I added some dots on her dress and also on the bow. And then I also did a little bit on her shoes, just to give a little highlight to them, because she's awfully flat. No. So I did that with this one. Isn't she adorable? I just love it. And then I did this one with different pattern paper. This was just regular cardstock, but I used 2 different pattern papers that were red, white, and blue. And then I used the different pattern paper for her shoes. But I added those little hanging bows. I guess that's what they are, but that's what I figured, and it looks really cute in her hair. And I really liked how these turned out. These are going to be fun to add to projects. But that is my make for hashtag paper dolls for Poet 2026. So I have everybody down below, so go and check them out. That are those that are taking part in this open collaboration. Thank you, Jamie, for inviting me. I'm pleased that I got to finally use my dies that I've had. I don't even know how many years now, but and they're adorable. They're like my favorite. I love the stamps, and then I'm beginning to love the little dies as well. So thanks everybody for watching. Happy 4th, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.